Hello my people, welcome back to Sheillah's kitchen. Today we are making Kenyan Githeri with potatoes. Walk through with me step by step and I hope you will enjoy the recipe. So we heat our oil and fry our onions. We'll fry our onions until they are golden brown. Then we'll fry grated garlic. Then here are our potatoes. Put in the potatoes with salt to taste. We'll mix them well. Let's cover for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we just mix it well and we'll add our tomatoes. Mix again and cover and let the tomatoes to cook. Once the tomatoes are ready, you see add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. We will mix that too nicely. Then we'll have curry powder and paprika. And our carrots come in there. Let's mix well. We'll add some water and bring it to boil. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and support me. We'll cover it and bring it to boil. It's boil like that. Then we'll have our beef seasoning. That's Royco cubes. And cayenne pepper. For those who like spicy food, you can add. If you don't, just it's optional. Mix it well. And here we put in our githeri. I had already boiled it. It's ready. Just mix it. It's a little bit thick. I think we add a little bit more water for the soup. Yeah, just a little bit. We let it cook for 2 minutes. See, githeri looks so appetizing. Let it cook for 2 minutes, then our githeri is ready. It's ready to serve. We just garnish with coriander. It's ready to serve. You can serve this for lunch. You can have this for breakfast. You can have this for dinner. So yummy and tasty. Guys, you should try this recipe. It's very nice, easy, affordable. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. You'll be the first one to be notified. See, our githeri looks so amazing, so yummy. It's worth mothering. See you in the next video. Bye bye.